Okay, so this restaurant is where I got very sick food contamination. Just so you have a reference. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're in Vientiane, Laos. I'm just gonna film. This is where I was staying at Air Hotel. Yeah, I'm just gonna see some of the stuff that's here. I'm not gonna have a lot of footage because this is my last day. I came a couple days ago, but I got pretty sick. Food poisoning. So this is one of the most popular streets. It doesn't really look like it, but it is. Vientiane is basically a pretty sleepy town. But that being said, I did go out and met up with an expat friend, and he lives here. So he brought me some places, and there's definitely a lot of expats that go out at night here. And he was saying the weekends, a lot of people come up from Thailand and try to plan it on the weekends, and then they'll hit the bars, and then they'll go up to other cities, because the other cities have a lot more to offer. But you can get a feel for Vientiane anyways, and then we're gonna walk up here towards there's a really nice sunset, and I also want to show you where I got really sick. I'm gonna do a whole video on that one. Man, kind of ruined my trip here because I couldn't do anything. But I'll explain it all when I'm at the site itself. Tuk Tuk, this is for a specific hotel, Taipan Hotel. So this is the main street. I might turn up the camera for a little while. Vientiane, I guess we haven't seen Vientiane. We don't know what it looks like at all, so I guess I should probably keep it going a little bit. Obviously got quite a few foreign amenity stuff. The Heineken beer for foreigners. We're gonna try to go across the street if we can. Giant trees. Nice temples. Let me see here. Okay, so this restaurant is where I got very sick food contamination. Just so you have a reference point of where it's at. It's not too far from this temple. And this is the main street right here. Got a beautiful tree right here. I'll just show you the menu and then I'll talk about it later. So I guess I had some barbecue off of this, and also had some papaya salad, so that was here somewhere. Let's see, papaya salad. Well, anyways, so it looks like they set up pretty early. So we're gonna walk past it, but then you can see the reference of it. So yeah, the main street is this way, and then we're gonna walk towards the waterfront, and I'll just put it here. But basically there's like two things that happened when I was here. I'll just kind of explain it while I'm walking. I'll explain it at the waterfront. Okay, so this is basically the waterfront. This is where the main street was. It's a temple, and that's the restaurant that I was gonna tell you about. It's like everything's closed because it's so early. It's like 9:45 in the morning right now. But yeah, that restaurant, so basically what happened is they overcharged me, and then they also, I was with a friend, he's lived here for a long time. He's gone there quite a few times too. And then when we got the bill, it was supposed to be 180,000 kip, and they tried to charge us 225, so they almost double. So so it sounds like something that they always do. They always try to overcharge everybody double if you're a foreigner. So be careful about that one because of that. And then number two, they don't cook the food very well, so I was basically like vomiting and diarrhea for about a day. and not feeling very good about that. So let's go up here. So anyways, I wish I could view more of Vientiane, but I was pretty much out the whole time. Huh. This is the waterfront. Maybe you have to go down that way. Years ago I was here and it felt like there's a lot more sand and things like that. But maybe it's all down there. Anyways, don't go to that restaurant. I'm gonna walk down there and do another video later. Okay, so overlooking a market right there, and it's like a lot of grasslands. Years ago that was all, you see the Mekong Delta over there. I don't know if the grass grows more at a certain time of year. It's been about 7, 8, 9 years since I've been here. Last time I was here, I can't remember even a walk out in there and it was like more like sandbars or something like that. Something different than this. Now it looks like more like grass and weeds that are too thick to walk out on. But you still have this nice walkway up here, so anyways, this is kind of the center. This is kind of the waterfront area of Vientiane. So there's some people walking out that way, so I guess you can walk to the Mekong right there. But yeah, I've been pretty weak in the city. I got that food poisoning, so if you watched the last video you would have seen that. So I don't know what else to say about this particular city. Second time I was here, first time I remember coming in, it was maybe it was way down there. I see some people sitting way down there. But basically there's like this whole place had people kind of walking up and down, and in the evening it was like really kind of festive, lots of families, lots of backpacker travelers just kind of eating and enjoying life and watching the sunset come down. And there were some bars, not bars, but like restaurants that were out. Kind of bars too, but not really. Not like how you'd think of it in a Western place. Places that drink a beer, I guess I should say. Anyways, I'm going to conclude for that. Let's see what the sign says. So yeah, the Vientiane video, I'm pretty weak, but at least you get, if you've never seen the city, at least you get some feel for it. We found Riverside. Okay, a little more of Vientiane, Carlsberg, Cafe Amazon. It's like a Cafe Amazon is a chain, isn't it? It's in shopping malls, I think. Nice temple right here, and this is the main street. So I got some Laotian people to the right, and there's the temple, one of many in this particular city. So alright, so we're gonna just walk straight down, and we're gonna walk. There's a nice tree right there, the big temple. The temple shrine. Alright. Yeah, my energy levels are low right today, so can't really do very good content, but at least you got some kind of content. Anyways. Somebody is sleeping there. Okay. Side streets, this is the temple right here. Get a little closer to it. Just gonna walk down some of these main roads. There's a tourist place. I mean, they sell tourist skids. Stuff like this. This is back to my street right here. conclude in a second here. So that's Vientiane. Yesterday when I was sick, I could barely walk down the street. I was walking about 1/10 of the speed that I am now, and I'm not walking very fast right now either. Man, that just knocked me out. Anyways, I'm going to be taking a bus to Vientiane pretty soon. So we'll walk up one of these streets, film for a little bit first. Kind of surprised I don't see money changers here. I haven't seen one money changer. I was going to get rid of my Laos kip, change it to baht, and then move in. Alright. Cooking food right here. Also Vietnamese cuisine. Honey pancakes. I just don't trust any food now. So yeah, if you're wondering why there's so many cool looking places on this street, it's one of the top streets for catering to the foreign market. Pretty cool buildings up there. More guest houses. Okay, we're gonna conclude right here. These are all the prices for stuff. Now that I'm here, I see this is the street that I remember from before. Man, I was so sick that I couldn't explore, go anywhere. But this particular street is where I was staying the last time, and I thought it was maybe more close to the waterfront, but it's actually one block off. And I was staying way down there somewhere. I was thinking, look at all these wires. Can you see those wires? How many are all messed up like that? Anyways, here's Vientiane. I think I got a little tainted on this trip to the city, but it is what it is.